Take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Patriot. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.